Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am super late, but I am finally doing my April Sephora play box. So as always, I will tell you what I got, what I thought, and the approximate retail value of the entire box. The theme for the month of April was Insta Beauty, and as always, every Sephora play box comes with a handy dandy little pamphlet that has a little card right here for 50 extra beauty insider points when you purchase something in store in that month. I have to be honest, don't think I've ever used this. I'm pretty much an exclusively online shopper, but it's nice, you know. And then when you open it up, my favorite part of the box is this little part that tells, and then of course when you open it up, my favorite part is that it tells you everything that is in your box, why they picked it, and how to use it. I love this and I find it super helpful, and I just think it's really cute. The decorations, like the design is just, they put a lot of work into this. I like it. The first thing that I got is this little perfume sample that's just kind of like a bonus thing that they throw in, and this is the Mumu Le Rosé. Pretty sure I butchered all four of those words, but surprisingly, I don't hate this perfume. I don't know, don't love it. It's kind of strong. It's kind of florally. So I would maybe wear it out if I did something like clubbing, which I don't, because I feel like that's the perfect scent. Like this is just kind of dark and florally and musky, but I don't really do that, so I really would not have an opportunity to wear it. But I am surprised because usually I just absolutely hate the perfumes, so this one is just not bad. I'll take it. The first thing that I got is this Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Broad Spectrum SPF, and this is in the shade 06, and I was really hoping that this would match my skin tone and work and be wonderful, because it is nearing summer and I don't wear as much makeup, and I really need to start wearing something that has SPF in it, and I've been looking for something. So if you know of something that I can use with my makeup or instead of makeup that has SPF in it, please let me know in the comments below. I can't find anything. I don't know what to do. But anyways, this is several shades too dark. As you can probably tell, it is way too orange. I am very pale. Kind of don't blame Sephora. I know they have like a limited amount of color shades when they do these little samples, so I kind of understand. It just sucks because I actually did like the formula and I was really excited about the product itself, and I love Makeup Forever. I just can't actually wear this. So this is probably going to go to my mom or a friend, somebody who actually doesn't look like a ghost. But the approximate retail value of this little sample is about $6, so that's not too bad at all. Next up, I have this little sample of the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Powder, and this is Airbrush Silk Pressed Anti-Aging Finishing Powder, and I'm trying to be really careful with it because this is actually shattered. Now, I'm sure if I contacted Sephora and was like, yo, got a shattered product, they would send me a new one. But I actually got this exact sample in an Ipsy bag a couple of months ago, maybe at the beginning of the year, I don't know, but I definitely used it before and I don't love it. It does a good job of concealing the pores and making it feel real soft, but it also makes you look ghostly white. So I don't recommend this because I'm pale AF and I still looked like a ghost. Like it looked like I just white under my eyes. So I'm not a huge fan of this. I don't know how anybody can use it. It is way too light. I don't know, maybe, I don't know how you can use a powder wrong. I was about to say maybe I'm using it wrong, but I really don't know how you could use this thing wrong. So unfortunately, I don't like it, don't love it. I'm not gonna contact Sephora for another sample of this. It's just going to go straight in the trash because it is cracked and I don't like it. The other thing about this is that there's actually no ounceage on the package. So I don't know how much product is in this. I don't know the approximate value, so I unfortunately had to leave it off of my calculation for this month's box, which kind of fits if you consider that it's broken, so it doesn't really count anyways. I don't know, sorry guys. Next, I got this Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask Seaweed Radiance Facial, and I have used this several times and I really like it. I love Fresh products. I've got their like lip tints. I've got a couple of those which I really love, and I actually really liked this as well. It's got kind of like little chunkies in it, so you feel kind of like you're exfoliating your face as you rub it in, because that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to like rub it into your skin for a little bit, and then it's got a lot of seaweed and cucumber because it just feels like cooling wafts, I don't know, across your face. It just feels really nice and cool, and that's where the meaning cool as cucumber came from this mask. Quote me on that, just kidding. But I really liked this. I don't know how much of a difference it made in my skin, but it definitely made my skin feel more hydrated and moisturized. I just didn't see too much of a difference, but I will take it. I really liked this. And the approximate retail value of this little sample is actually $12.50, which is amazing considering that I only pay $10 and some change for my Playbox every month. Next up is this Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. So I was really excited about this. I really do like Peter Thomas Roth. I've gotten into a lot of his skincare stuff. I definitely need a mattifying primer in Florida in the summer, because if you don't use a mattifying primer, you're gonna look like a swamp animal thing. Yeah, it's just not good. You need a mattifying primer, and so I was really hoping that I would love this so I could add it to my primer collection, and unfortunately I don't. I had the same problem as a lot of people did when I looked on the Sephora reviews online, and that is this settles into the cracks in your skin like nobody's business. Like, I would not say I really have fine lines or wrinkles yet. My skin is doing pretty okay still. This makes it look like I'm old AF. Like, I get the little mouth creases, I get tons of creases under the eyes. Like, this really settles into any lines or any imperfections on your face, and it emphasizes them, even under my favorite foundation and setting powder, which is incredible and also awful. So I will not be using this. I might give this maybe to my younger sister, who has even more youthful skin than I do, because I don't know how she does it. She doesn't even wash her face. It's fine. Anyways, I will probably give this to somebody that has literally no fine lines and wrinkles, or maybe throw this out because I don't know how. I just looked really old. It was baffling and really scary and sad. So was not a huge fan of this, and I was really hoping that I would be. Okay, enough rambling. The approximate retail value is actually $7, which is kind of a lot of money for this tiny little thing. And then last but not least is this Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss in the shade SPL, and I am wearing it right now. It's really cute. It's definitely a very glittery, very sparkly lip gloss. As you can see, it's not as pale as it looks in the tube. I am also wearing it over a nude pinkish lip color, but it can be worn alone. It can be layered over lipsticks. So I actually really liked this. The one downside is that there is some sort of lip plumping agent in here, because I put this on and it burned. I have slightly sensitive lips, but this burned a little. So that's the one downside. If you're layering it over a matte lipstick, I don't think that would be a problem at all, because I'm layering it over a very thin layer of chapstick lipstick stuff. It's kind of still burnt. So that's the one downside, but I like the color, I like the shine, I like the glitter. It's very pretty. And normally I hate lip glosses because they're super sticky, but this is actually fairly smooth and creamy, and it doesn't feel gritty even though there are glitter, like visible glitter chunks in it, because I know that is definitely a problem with some glittery lips, basically any glittery makeup product. Sometimes you have that issue where it just feels really chunky, and that is not the problem with this. So lots of positives, one negative, I guess. And the approximate retail value of this is $2.60. So if you made it through all of my rambling, because I feel like I did a lot of rambling today, I'm sorry guys. The approximate retail value of the April Sephora Playbox was about $28. Question mark in there, because like I said before, there is no ounceage on the IT Cosmetics pressed pore powder, so I wasn't able to figure out how much that added to the Playbox, but I'm just gonna leave it off because it was broken, so in my mind it doesn't really count anyways. There's no added value if I can't even use it. So again, total value is about $28, which isn't bad considering I pay about $10 and some change every month for the Sephora Playbox. So I'm getting double, almost triple what I pay for every single month. So I still consider that a win, even if I don't love every single product, even if they don't always work for me. I still can figure out what does and doesn't work, and I get to try out little sample sizes of very expensive products. So that is always a very, very good plus to me. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it's a little late. I'm sorry, I promise I'll be on time more often, yay! So anyways, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you do want to see this makeup look, because I did film it, I'm calling it my casual mermaid look. I will have that up on my channel soon, so make sure you subscribe. And then while you are down in the down bar, make sure you check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ilea. I post lots of fun things there, and I would love to talk to you guys. So I will see you next time, and thank you guys so much for watching and for all of your support.